Every fire extinguisher begins with industrial-grade raw materials built for pressure and reliability.
Material integrity is critical for containing extreme internal pressure. Precision cutting defines the foundation of each cylinder.
Flat steel transforms into pressure-ready cylinders. Welded seams lock strength into the structure.
Curved bases help distribute internal pressure evenly.
The valve interface is built to exact tolerances. With structure complete, cylinders move on for protection and finish. NextLevel factory process. Before coating, every surface must be perfectly clean. Controlled heat prepares the metal for long-lasting protection. Primer shields the steel from corrosion and wear. Curing locks protection into the surface. Color application follows strict safety and visibility standards. Drying reveals the extinguisher's final appearance. Only flawless finishes continue down the line.
With coating complete, cylinders are ready for internal assembly. NextLevel factory process. Precision components are prepared for controlled pressure release.
Each valve is assembled to exact specifications.
Accurate pressure readings are critical in emergencies.
Internal tubes guide extinguishing agents during discharge.
Internal alignment ensures reliable flow.
The valve seals the system under pressure.
Every connection is checked before filling. With valves installed, extinguishers are ready for charging turn. NextLevel factory process. Charging begins with precise control of every component. Measured agents are prepared to meet exact safety standards. Precision filling ensures reliable fire suppression. Weight verification confirms the correct agent load. Pressurization activates the extinguisher's discharge power. Internal pressure is carefully regulated. Leak checks ensure long-term reliability. With charge complete, extinguishers face final safety verification pass-through. NextLevel factory process. Before approval, every extinguisher must prove it can perform under pressure. Each unit is positioned for controlled performance testing. Discharge performance is measured in real time. Flow consistency determines firefighting effectiveness. Pressure stability ensures readiness long after manufacturing.
Every control must respond instantly in emergencies.
Final inspection confirms full compliance.
Only certified protection moves forward. NextLevel, NextLevel factory process. After testing, each unit is prepared for its final identity. Branding is applied with precision and permanence. Clear instructions are essential in emergencies. Placement ensures visibility and readability. Traceability links every unit to its production record. Final safety checks protect against accidental discharge. Only perfectly finished units proceed.
With identity complete, extinguishers head to packaging finland. NextLevel factory process.
Packaging begins with careful handling and alignment. Protective covers guard critical components during transport. Each box is formed to fit the extinguisher precisely. Units are secured for safe shipment. Essential accessories complete the package. Secure sealing protects product integrity.
Individual units combine into shipment-ready pallets.
Finished extinguishers await distribution per NextLevel factory process. Finished products are prepared for shipment beyond the factory. Secure wrapping protects shipments during transport.
Every destination is logged and verified.
Final checks are completed at the loading docks. Products move from factory floor to global routes. Stability is ensured before departure. Protection manufactured here now travels worldwide.
And this is how modern factories produce fire extinguishers from start to finish.
Quality control verifies that every extinguisher meets strict safety standards. Pressure accuracy is essential for reliable operation. Leak testing confirms airtight sealing. Flow pathways must remain clear at all times. Final weight checks ensure full charge integrity. Clear instructions are vital in emergencies. Only fully approved units move forward. With testing complete, extinguishers are cleared for dispatch. NextLevel factory process. The final stage prepares each unit for delivery. Protective layers guard the product in transit.
Each extinguisher is secured inside its final box.
sealed and coated for global tracking. Individual units combine into shipment-ready loads.
Finished products await distribution.
From factory floor to the real world.
And this is how modern factories produce fire extinguishers from start to finish.